Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're diving into a corded 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner that promises a balance of power and ease, ideal for everyday home cleaning. The Stick Vacuum Cleaner MC607C offers a simple solution for homes and apartments that need consistent suction without worrying about battery life. It features a plug-in design for non-stop cleaning, making it a solid contender in the world of corded vacuums. Let's see how it stacks up to real-world expectations. This vacuum boasts a continuous power design, so there's no need to stress about charging or running out of juice halfway through your cleaning session. Whether you're tidying up dust and crumbs from your hardwood floors or pulling dirt out of low-pile carpets, this vacuum has you covered. The suction power is reliable and steady, providing enough force to pick up debris with ease. The lightweight body makes maneuvering around furniture, corners, and tight spaces a breeze, which is perfect for daily cleaning without any back-breaking effort. Weighing in at a manageable size, it's an excellent choice for households that need a vacuum that won't tire them out. Plus, it's ideal for smaller spaces like apartments or condos, where a bulky machine just won't fit. When it comes to practical cleaning, this model performs well on a variety of surfaces. It works effortlessly on hard floors, picking up dust, crumbs, and debris without leaving a trace. Moving over low-pile carpets, it maintains steady suction, lifting dirt without any complicated setup. There's no need to adjust settings, just plug in and start cleaning. The vacuum's simplicity shines through, no need for charging stations or battery maintenance. When you're finished, the dust cup empties quickly with a simple, quick-release button, saving you time and hassle. It also comes with a washable HEPA filter, which keeps maintenance costs low and ensures clean air, a great option for allergy sufferers. While this vacuum certainly delivers in terms of performance and ease of use, no product is perfect. One of the trade-offs with a corded vacuum like this is the reach limitation. Although you don't have to worry about battery drop-off, the cord's length may restrict movement in larger rooms. You may find yourself shifting outlets if you're cleaning a big area, especially if you're moving between rooms or floors. Additionally, for those who prefer cordless vacuums for quick cleanups, the corded design might feel a little restrictive. However, for those who prioritize consistent suction power over the flexibility of a cordless model, this will be a non-issue. The washable filter is a nice touch for long-term savings, but while the maintenance is relatively simple, it's still worth noting that the dust cup can fill up fairly quickly during heavier cleaning sessions. Depending on your household's cleaning habits, you may find yourself emptying it more often than expected. Another area where this vacuum could improve is noise. While not excessively loud, it's not the quietest machine out there, so if you're sensitive to noise or cleaning in a shared living space, this may be something to keep in mind. The vacuum's build quality is solid, with a design that feels sturdy but not overly heavy. The materials used don't feel cheap, which is a plus for longevity. As for the attachments, it comes with everything you need for quick and easy cleaning: a brush tool for furniture, a crevice tool for tight spots, and a nozzle ideal for more delicate surfaces. These are especially handy if you're cleaning upholstery, stairs, or your car, as they help you reach into hard-to-access places with ease. If you're comparing this vacuum to other models, you'll notice that it's priced competitively for a corded option. It's not the cheapest, but it strikes a reasonable balance between price and performance. If you're after a cordless model with a similar performance level, you might find that the corded design gives you more consistent suction without having to worry about battery life. On the other hand, models like the BLACK+DECKER cordless stick vacuum offer the freedom of movement, though they tend to sacrifice some suction power and runtime. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum offers solid performance for its price point. It's well suited for families, especially those in apartments or smaller homes where a larger vacuum would take up too much space. If you're not ready to commit to a high-end, pricey model, but still need something powerful and dependable, this vacuum checks the boxes for consistent performance and ease of use. As far as durability and longevity go, it's built well enough to last a few years with regular maintenance. The filter can be washed multiple times, and with proper care, the dust cup and brush rolls should hold up over time. Given that this model is geared towards everyday use, it's unlikely that you'll experience significant wear and tear as long as you follow the care instructions. Looking at the customer support side of things, this vacuum comes from a reputable brand that's known for being responsive and helpful with warranty and service issues. While I haven't had to reach out for service myself, there's peace of mind knowing that support is there if needed. So, who exactly is this vacuum for? If you live in an apartment or condo and need something lightweight with reliable suction power, this could be an excellent fit. It's also great for families who want an easy-to-use vacuum without fussing over batteries, as the corded design ensures consistent power. If you primarily clean hard floors or low-pile carpets and don't mind a little extra noise, this vacuum will do the job well. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers cordless freedom or needs a vacuum that can tackle high-pile carpets, you may want to consider other options. If you've enjoyed the review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future review. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this vacuum. Does it look like a good fit for your home? Feel free to drop your comments below, and if you already own one, share your experience with us. Thanks so much for watching, and that's it for today. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a hassle, but the right vacuum definitely helps. Goodbye till next time, and keep those floors spotless with Reviews Inside TV.